Fact 5. Online businesses you can start with no skills. In 2026, the people making money online are not the smartest. They are the ones using the right systems. And the truth is simple. Most of these people started with zero skills. Today, I'll break down 5 online businesses you can start in 2026, even if you have no experience, no audience, and no background. Stay until the end, because the 5th business is the easiest for beginners to start. Online business number 1, AI content repurposing every day. Creators publish long videos like podcasts, interviews, and YouTube content. But attention has moved to short-form platforms like TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Creators need short clips. They just don't want to edit them. AI solves this. You upload a long video into an AI tool. The AI finds highlights, adds captions, and creates short videos. You deliver these clips to creators weekly or monthly. They pay you on a recurring basis. You're not selling skill, you're selling speed. Online business number 2, affiliate content pages. Affiliate marketing means promoting products or services and earning a commission per sale. In 2026, you don't even need a website. Short-form content does the work. You create simple videos explaining AI tools, money apps, or online services. You place your affiliate link in the bio. When someone signs up, you get paid. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to explain who the product is for. One video can earn money long after it's posted. Online business number 3, print on demand with AI. Print on demand means products are created only after someone buys them. There is no inventory, no storage, and no shipping handled by you. AI removes the creative barrier. You generate quotes, designs, or images using AI. You upload them to t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. The platform prints and ships the product automatically. People buy emotion, not products. AI helps you test ideas without risk. Online business number 4, faceless YouTube automation. YouTube pays creators for attention. And in 2026, you don't need a camera or microphone. AI writes scripts. AI creates voiceovers. Pictory turns them into videos. You run channels in niches like motivation, money, technology, or facts. Your videos can earn for years. This is not fast money, but it is long-term digital income. Online business number 5, AI-created digital products. This is the easiest online business for beginners. Digital products include ebooks, planners, templates, prompts, and guides. Once created, they can be sold unlimited times. AI removes the need for expertise. You create a simple budgeting spreadsheet. You sell it for $5. 200 sales equals $1,000. No clients, no shipping, no meetings. This is one of the most scalable online businesses in 2026. All 5 of these online businesses share the same pattern. Low startup cost, powered by AI, scalable, beginner-friendly, and Twaz systems beat skills, and AI is the system. You don't need experience to start. You need action. Subscribe to Wealth Tech Insights for more videos about online businesses, AI tools, money, and productivity.